welcome back to my channel. After literally being mowed down by some joyriding kids in a car on January 1st, 2018, I spent a year in and out of hospital. I couldn't care for my bonsai, so they all moved to other places. All except one. Last year I got a voucher from friends as a gift and more bonsai came back into the house. Bitten by this bug again, I must make sure I don't overdo it. Next to orchids, bonsai have always been another hobby of mine. Mainly tropical and subtropical species had my attention, mainly Ficus. Now they are coming back to my channel, next to the orchids of course. Thanks for watching this trailer. New uploads will be coming soon.